going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a little treat for you guys. I'm actually gonna go up to the snow by myself. I'm not gonna go too crazy into the snow since I don't have anyone with me, but I don't know if you can see out here, there's no snow at the moment, but I'm actually on the way right now, almost there right now. Probably about like 15 more minutes till I get there. Yeah, so pretty much I just want to show you guys the truck, how it sits right now. Really don't have a plan besides just going up to the snow. I'm just gonna drive up there, hopefully get some shots of the truck driving in the snow, but if I can't, then that will be for the next day or another time. Pretty much that's all I have planned for you guys today, is to just drive up to the snow, hopefully try to drive the truck into the snow, but again, I don't feel too confident going by myself since you know, I don't have any backup or anything like that. But yeah, so I'll just kind of go ahead and do my own thing and hope you guys follow along and enjoy the video. So it looks like we are definitely gonna stop here. The snow keeps going all the way and there's actually no more tracks, so I'm actually gonna stop right here. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the truck and how it sits right now. But yeah, let's go and check it out. Sorry guys, I'm actually out of breath right now, but I gotta change into my shoes. I'm wearing Crocs right now and they're freaking cold. But yeah, I'm out here by myself. Surprisingly, there's not a lot of people out here, which is good because when there's not a lot of people, that means fresh snow. Also, yeah, I want to let you guys know that when I put the lift kit on and then I got an alignment right after, I went to Les Schwab. I got it done for about $89.99, and I thought that I needed to put these camber bolts on, but it looks like when I was speaking with the gentleman, he said that it wasn't required. So yeah, hopefully that doesn't mess up my car, but the dude said it was good to go, so I guess we're good to go. So I'll probably most likely keep these with me for the future. If anything ever happens and I need to replace it, I'll definitely have these with me. So alright guys, so it looks like I drove out here. I found a little better spot. It's an open area. It's quite nice actually. Also, I actually took some photos for my Instagram, so if you guys are interested in seeing those photos, seeing those pictures, check the description box. My social media is going to be there. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue. I want to show you guys a better view of the truck. So this is the Alldogs off-road lift kit. For the front, it's going to be 2 inches in the front lift, and in the back 1.5. I'll show you guys a little closer view if you guys can see. Let me see. Can you guys see? Bam. All right, so right in front of you, that's the Bilstein's shocks, and then the coils is from Alldogs Off-Road. Really think it's a really nice, you know, budget setup, and I really like how, you know, it's made in America and all stuff like that. Also, I want to let you guys know that their customer service is on point. You know, if you guys have a question or even need help on ordering some parts, definitely be sure to hit up their chat box, or even I've heard some people even call them as well. But yeah, there it is. Here's the back. So the back again, 1.5 in the rear. So in this situation, I am using my old leaf springs, factory ones, and then they supply added leaf 1.5 in the rear, which is still looks pretty nice. I want to show you guys a different angle as well. Alright, so in terms of the installation, unfortunately I didn't record it. It was just me, my brother, and a good buddy of mine actually helped me out put the lift kit on. It was on a Saturday, and we don't have much experience in terms of installation of the coils and the leaves and all that stuff. We thought that it was going to be about a 4 to 5 hour job, but it actually ended up turning to be about 10 hours. So yeah, 10 hours is a long time, but you know, I mean, if I'd taken this to the shop, it'd probably be really expensive. So I definitely did save some money. You know, installing stuff in your truck, you know, you get to know your truck, you get to know the ins and out of it, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to install it myself, so I can get my first hands experience and, you know, just learn how to put a lift kit on. That's gonna be it for my video today. If you guys like the video, be sure to drop a like. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. But if you guys have any video suggestions, please drop it in the comment section down below, and then I'll be sure to check it out. With that being said, hope to see you guys soon.